how to put 3 years in Roblox. So let's get started. First of all, you have to add an extension that is BT Roblox, which is a safe extension. For that, open up any web browser in your device and in the search bar, type in BT Roblox. Now head over to the first link. Once you get it that, you can view its rating and then click on Add to Chrome. Then click on Add Extension. And here this extension as BT Roblox has been added in your Chrome. You can view that by clicking on this extension icon, and it is here BT Roblox. After you're done with that, now open up Roblox in your device and make sure to log into your account. Here you can refresh this page once again. After you do that, now navigate to this avatar option from this menu bar on your left hand side. Now under avatar, click on head and body. From here, click on here. Now here you can choose 3 here. You have to simply left click on this and then left click on the last here. And in this way you can put 3 here in Roblox. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video helps you. If you are new to our channel, make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on next video.